So this is the question number 21 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So in this particular question, four options have been given to you and it has been asked which one of them is not a module or function of the random module in Python. तो अगर मैं बात करूं random module की तो we have only three functions. First one is random itself, second one is random integer, and third one is random range. Okay, so we have only these three functions in the random module in Python. So for let's come back to question this one. So this one is the not a module or a function of the random module in Python. So this is a very easy question. So for this question, option number A is the correct one. Now, based on the random module in Python, I want you to take a look at this question and try to resolve it. What will be the correct output of this particular code? And answer in the comment box what is the right possible answer for this particular question. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.